Rooster.
On any such like St. James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. That's Vincent Black Lightning, 1952. And I've seen you at the corners and the cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled her on behind and off to Box Hill, he did ride. St. James to Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand. And I'll tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I've fought with the law since I was 17. I've robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now 21 years, I'm at age 22, and I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Nothing inside. Come down Red Molly to his dying bedside. When she got to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. And he smiled to see her cry. He said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. In my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats 52 Vincent, a red-headed girl. Now Martins and Indians and Greases too, they don't have a soul like Vincent 52. And he reached for her hand and he gave her the keys. He said, I've got no further use for these. I see angels on aerials in leather and chrome, reaching down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave her one last kiss and died. And he gave her his Vincent